and welcome back to the Mad Investor. So today we're digging into a new project. As you know, I like to cover different projects, especially with gaming, blockchain, and there's a lot in crypto happening, and obviously I cannot cover it all. But today I found a very cool thing, which is actually the Game7.io, which is a G7 token. This is a Web3 gaming setup that's doing things a little different, and I very much like that. So let's jump in. So Game7.io, it's all about building a gaming world on a blockchain. And it's not just another game. It's a whole system where players and developers get more control. And they've got this thing called the G7 network, which is a fast blockchain layer that actually keeps costs low and speeds up high kind of on the transaction. So it's built on Arbitrum. So it's tied to Ethereum, but it does run smoother for the gaming stuff. And what is actually, interesting about it is they've got this HyperPlay as well, a launcher for the Web3, which, I think it's pretty game because Web3 games are kind of the thing. And it actually a summon, that's also another thing, which pulls in players with quests and rewards. So we can see that, they're actually investing in different games as well, and they have the big ecosystem. So you can see they're connecting the Web3 with the players, and you can also earn rewards. You can claim the airdrop as well. And they actually build and invest into Web3 gaming. I also saw that they've raised over 100 million from the big names like Bitkraft and Andreessen Horowitz, and that's some serious cash for a gaming idea. So how it works is pretty neat. Developers use their tools to make games, and players can join in, play, and even help to build the community, all tracked obviously on the blockchain. We can see also the introduction, like they have the G7 token already live. You can read their manifesto, and there's also the Game7 portal, which I mentioned to you, with the quest, game, and option to win, which I think it's pretty cool because you can play games, win gear, and create your own character within here. So I totally believe that, gaming is on the blockchain is definitely the future, and you can also see stuff from the inside. So if you actually go, before I actually go inside, you can see that this is the games they actually invested. So Everseed, Boomland, Darkthrone, Portal Fantasy, and Age of Dino. So I think it's pretty decent. Like their partners are huge. It's a lot. And obviously you can connect with them. So let's actually grab a look how does it work. So if you press join now, it will take you to the app.game, and obviously if you want to register, you'll need to use the MetaMask and kind of connect the wallets. First, we'll obviously check the Cloudflare. So, it's making sure that, I'm not a bot. And then you're connecting some of the wallets, which you just saw here. I'm connecting the MetaMask. It's just the easiest for me. And I just need to put the password right in. So I just put a password, that's me to connect it to on the chain. Awesome. Right. Yes, I do approve to add 7 game to my networks. Signature request. Yeah, that's good. Confirm. Because that's a fresh wallet, just to show you guys how it does work. And boom, we should be right connected. All right, so now it tells me to complete my sign up, fill in my email and my referral code. Obviously, you're using the referral code from the description. So after I register, and actually you'll need to verify your email as well, it tells me to create my avatar, so I can actually do some, basic kind of work on the avatar. And yeah, you can choose kind of what way you would like to have it. And then you press on the mint, right? So I'm gonna press mint. I can see that they have like a very anti-bot software especially. So create your free avatar and exclusive wearables, special features, unique partner experience. Your adventure begins now. Boom, I'm minting the NFT right now for free. So yeah, and as you can see, as easy as that, you can join the Game7.io, and avatar minted successfully. That's pretty cool. So now you can slightly, kind of customize it. You can put, hair to it, like how do you want it to, look, etc. Which I think, it's pretty cool because yeah, it does allow you to create it in a, pretty okay way. And obviously the wearables and stuff like that you'll be able to change it later and actually earn from it. So now it shows you kind of like the basics of the kind of workarounds, what's inside the app. So like the quest, the lot groups. So these are the quests which with the potential to win significant rewards if you stay committed to them. This is kind of the place where you can win credit as well through the limited campaign, and the leaderboard. So this is a lot which I think it's pretty cool for everyone. And you also have the recommended quests. So I can actually go to the quest here, and boom, there are some quests for me to work with. So as you can see, I think that's a cool thing because again, we're looking into blockchain and gaming, and I think that's something which is definitely the future. This is it from me, Rafael Sabila here, Mad Investor, and see you in the next video. And remember that if you like those videos, just hit that like and subscribe so you're up to date with all the new projects. Take care and see you in the next one.
Mad investors in town, sharing hidden treasures he's found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds, unlocking the secrets of the blockchain.